Hey Nene Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about me unboxing my packages in front of you guys and showing you guys what I've gotten, and then also my office, showing you guys the inside of my office, what it looks like close up, where I store my products and everything. If you haven't already, gone ahead and smash on that like button, and don't forget to comment down below to let me know what you would like to see next. And then also don't forget to follow my personal Instagram and also my business Instagram, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So see you guys later. This is my joint.
Thought we had it all until things started to recede. Yeah.
Hey! Okay, what's up? I'm just really energetic right now, y'all. But I got packages, and then I gotta show you guys my office space and everything. So this video is going to be a 2-in-1 kind of thing. So first, you guys, let me tell you. Let me open my business cards first. You guys, I am a package junkie. Like, I love opening packages. So for me to wait, I think it's been like 5 days or something like that to open my packages. I really love y'all, and I really love making content because I can't stand waiting to open up a package. But I did open one package on accident. That's one of my preservatives, but for my products. But I didn't know I was opening a package like that. I was kind of confused. I bought it off of Amazon, so I'm like, why didn't it come from an Amazon slip? But I guess it's a small business that sells their stuff on Amazon. So yeah. Okay, but anyways, I got my cards made. And oh my gosh. So let me show you guys my old business cards first. Sorry my office space is messy. I'm coming out with a collection, and yeah. So this is my card before. I don't know. This is my card before. This is my business card now. And then it has that. I think the back throws it off, but y'all, I couldn't find rose gold. I really wanted rose gold business cards, but I've tried, and I'm not gonna beat myself up. I think these cards look really nice, and I'm not even gonna beat myself up. So I got 500 cards, and what I'm so excited. And these are my labels, because I do make my labels, and I'm actually going to be doing a YouTube video on how I make my labels, so y'all don't be missing out. Good content coming. Got a lot of content. So I'm showing you guys my office, and then the next video should be me showing you guys how I make my products. I don't know if I want to do that yet though. I don't know. Y'all let me know down below. But anyways, these are my labels from Avery. I make most of my labels, well, not most, some of my labels through Avery. So hold on, let me not be rude. Okay, let me not be rude. First of all, I got this top from Shop Motive, and you guys, like, this top, like, is serving me. But anyways, this top is looking so nice. Don't mind that. I probably put something on that when I was eating. But y'all, look at this. Like, Shop Motive. Shop, support Kyra My E. She also has a YouTube channel, so check her out. But yeah, I like to support small owned businesses. And yeah, next, I don't know what this is. This is my beeswax for one of my products. And then these are my roses that I'm having for my package, for my spring collection package. And then my scent, some essential oil that I got for my products. Now this box, my shea butters and cocoa butter and all this stuff. The stuff is for my products, and then my jojoba oil, all of that stuff. I had to put that up. Dang, where's the cocoa butter then? Oh, right here. I was about to say, where are you at? But I found it, or her, or whatever. Now, last but not least, my containers for my collection. And if you guys don't know, I'm launching my skincare collection. It's Natural Native Skincare Collection. I'm starting to go into the skincare, well, I'm starting to sell skincare stuff. I've been making my skincare stuff. Like I said, I've been making my hair product stuff and my skincare stuff since I can remember. Like I said, I have years under my belt doing this. I've been doing this since I was 13 years old. So yeah, these are like, this stuff is really not new to me. I've been knowing about this because I've been doing research ever since I was little. I'm just now putting it to work. Still learning a little bit though. I ain't even going front like, oh, I know it everything, because I don't. That was so hard. They're making sure they take stuff down. Okay. This is the first time me seeing this. Since I have glass in here, they're always gonna double box it. Y'all, when I was ordering these, I low-key forgot to order the same tops. Cause you see, let me show y'all. My tops are white. It's a white top, right? This is a black top. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna stress it. I messed up when I was ordering, but it is what it is. And then I have these containers. I can't wait to put stuff in it. It's gold. It's a gold container. It looks small, but it's really big, especially when you open it. It's like a lot of product that can be in there, especially for your lips. Is another container. Yeah, those are my containers. So you guys, I'm gonna start from my desk and then I'm gonna show you guys this area. So when you come in, you see a chair, of course. Don't mind that stuff, that's packaging and all that. I have to unpackage and stuff. And then I have my Holy Bible, because y'all know you don't go nowhere, or your business is not going to do as good if you don't have God in your life and in your business. And I also have a business tablet. That's where I keep all my emails if like I'm on the go. My laptop. This is like headphones and stuff. Then I have fragrance, pins, business cards. I still haven't put this up. Decor. So this is my little plants. You guys, you see that? It's so artificial. And then my boyfriend gave me this: be grateful every day, dream and believe. I think he was just thinking of like how I dream and believe of Monae Boutique. I think this is really nice, and I just love that he gave me that. And this is a tape measure. And then of course I have my hand sanitizer that I am selling on my website. You guys, I have to keep this hand sanitizer right next to me because I use this a lot. And I have my lip gloss and my butter balm lipstick from Luxurious Cosmetics. If you're not with it, I don't know what's up with you. And then this is like my charger for my iPad. So that's that. Then when you go down here, you have the candy, and yeah, I've been handing out candy. And then this is also like a pocket, basically an on-the-go chargers. I need to charge it actually. And then I have some scents, just because I like my office to just smell so good. I just love scents. I love my room smelling good, my office smelling room / my room. And then I have Kleenex over there. Down there is just papers. I'm actually going to organize that better than what it looks like. So, maybe I should do an organizing video. So right here is where I'm keeping some of my packaging and the ingredients that I use for my business. And you guys, I'm thinking about, not even thinking, I'm going to buy a big a big cupboard and put everything up in its place. And I'm gonna move this printer over here. So like, hold on. Oh, don't mind that background. But you guys, I'm not done showing my office, but I just feel like it's gonna take a long time, and I'm gonna keep doing videos, and I'm gonna do videos by my office, and y'all gonna see my office, so why not show you guys now? But you guys, I'm still working on my office, still bettering my office. My room is, you know, spacious, but I can work with, I have to work with this space. So yeah, let's get back to showing you guys what I got. So this is my printer, of course. I use the HP Instant Ink Office Jet, HP Office Jet 3830. And then, yeah, it's touchscreen. Oh, okay, I thought it wasn't gonna let me do anything. I'll go back. And then here, I just keep my containers and my products. I'm low on hair putting mask, and also this is like is a bestseller. And then I have the other containers, and then in here I have some stuff that's gonna be launching. This stuff is launching April 17th, and then my hair butter is back there, so that's that. And here is just my ingredients, where I keep all my ingredients. I'm not even gonna open that and go through that. Then here is where I keep some of my lashes and some of my packaging. And then this is where I keep my highlighters. My vendor gave me these boxes, and I haven't put them in the right place yet, because I'm actually gonna get more containers like this, and I'm gonna put them in there. But till now, I'm just leaving them right there. And actually, like I said, I'm getting cupboards, so I might even, these might stay in there, but these might go in the cupboards. I'm still trying to figure it out. And I don't want to buy anything until I figure out what's the game plan, because I've done that before, where I buy so much and don't even use it, wasting money. Ain't got time for that. So this is the candy. This is the candy. This is the candy where I give you guys candy when you shop. Like, and if I run out of there, well, I usually try to stock this up. It was actually more in here, but since people been shopping, it's not a lot. So then I keep my containers. These are my travel containers slash sample. Same with these. They're also like small containers where I use for my hand sanitizer. Some labels. My pre-poo product, my hair growth oil, and my hand sanitizers. And down there is my hair cream. So you guys can see, I keep it down in the I keep them in separate containers, just making sure they're organized. Then those are some of my containers that can't fit in anywhere else, and I can't even put it in my closet, because mostly a lot of my stuff is in my closet. All of my business stuff is in my closet. My closet is really not even my closet, it's my business closet. But over here is office stuff. I have staplers, have Ziploc bags, so when I squeeze out the product, I don't have to use ours. Tape, scissors, you name it, I got it. So yeah, and then these are the containers I was talking about. And so yeah, that's what's in my office. Thank you all for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash on that like button, and don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys, what kind of videos do you guys want? Do you guys want me to show you how I make my products? I'll give you guys an inside of that if you would like. Also, any other business ideas, business video ideas that you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and go check out my business Instagram and use Anea15 for 15% off your order, because you're watching my channel, so why can't I give you a gift? So yeah, see you guys till next time, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. Don't you want to see more content? And also, before I even go, highlighter. And my highlighters. Also, my lashes are from me too. These sold out. So they'll be coming soon, so make sure you're on the lookout. Make sure you join my emailing list, so subscribe to my emailing list so then you can be the first person to know when I relaunch the lashes. And yeah, and don't forget to shop at Shop Motive and get some cute clothes. So see you guys later. Stay blessed and stay unique. Member or a friend, somebody that's really close to you that you know that you can try pictures, because if you take quality videos and pictures, people want to shop from you. If you don't take quality videos or pictures, like if I look, like, you got to think like a customer. If I'm looking at somebody's profile